welcome to my channel. I have an unboxing video for y'all today from Ooh La La Vintage Treasures and from, just make sure I get the name right, from Bird and Barn Designs in collaboration with Red Hill Fiber and Company. And what I'm going to do with this is a collaboration with Ooh La La Vintage Treasures and Bird and Barn Designs and Red Hill Fiber and Company. And I am going to use what is in here to create a decorated box and decorated lace holders. Y'all see those in just a minute. I will leave the link to Ooh La La Vintage Treasures, Bird and Barn Designs, and Red Hill Fiber and Company in the links, and the link below in the description below. Y'all know by now. So that y'all can visit their pages, and if y'all haven't already, and check out what all they have. I am super excited about this. I will explain to y'all when y'all are looking through here, you know, when I'm looking through here, what is what. That is so pretty. So pretty. I think it turns this way. Oh, I love that hanging over. So, let me see. Will it slide off now? Nope. Okay. So pretty. So this that you're seeing right now come from Ooh La La Vintage Treasures as part of the kit that we're going to be using to design and to put in the lace holders that is from, I don't want to get the name wrong, Red Hill Fiber and Company in collaboration with Bird and Barn Designs. That is so cool. I'm not sure I've ever seen anything like that before. That is so neat. I like that. A brooch. Ah, love that. Some snippet pieces. A quilt piece. Oh, that is the tiniest, cutest little butterfly. That is adorable. Flower piece. So pretty. Oh, that feels good. I like the way that feels. And a bigger snippet. So pretty. I like the feel of that too. A little applique. This. Look at that. I love that tatting made into like a star flower. So pretty. Sequins all in there. Oh, that is so pretty. Little piece. Flowers made from the sequins and a couple of a French page there. Okay. All right, let me set that aside. Pretty piece of fabric, tying it together. Never know when you'll use the paper. I do know when I will use that paper, actually. Another pretty snippet. Doily, piece of fabric and a really pretty soft satin pouch. I just love Doreen's Dangles Ooh La La Vintage Treasure still here. This looks like the lace bobbins. I think it is. Oh my goodness, they're so much bigger than I ever imagined. So these are, again, gonna look just to make sure I do not mess up the name. I know how important that is. So this is a collaboration between Martha at Bird and Barn Designs and her kids, which are the owners of Red Hill Fiber and Company. By the way, they have some beautiful, beautiful fiber on their website as well. I saw some of it. It's gorgeous. So if you love fibers like we do, they've got these beautiful lace hangers that some people are doing. Y'all just go check it out. Check out them at redhillfiber.com, and you can find Bird and Barn Designs on YouTube and Instagram that I know of. And I will leave those links in the description as well, like I said a moment ago. Just want to keep reminding y'all. Look at these, y'all. They're so pretty. I love that. I just love these. I do. Thank you, Martha. I love them. And I cannot wait to decorate them and to use them. That's exciting. They're so pretty. What a gorgeous design. Beautifully done. Okay. Is that it? I think that. Just making sure. Okay. Got a cigar box here. With some of that beautiful fabric. Got a square paper doily. You know, I don't think I've ever had that size before. I've got a ton of paper doilies, but I don't think that I have that one. So yay. All right, let's take that out like that. So, cigar box to decorate. I've got a fabric here, some pretty shimmer. That is pretty. And here she's made a pocket with what appears to be a doily or maybe a fabric placemat. Can't tell yet. Got a butterfly and other little snippet goodies down here. I'm thinking that I'm just going to slide it out this way because I kind of like that pocket like it is. I might leave it like that for a while. Isn't that so cute? It's adorable. Let's see. Okay, there we go. That goes, okay. I just love this. Love it. I love this piece. I think it's really vintage. It looks like it is. I can't be 100%. These knots on it, the texture, the look, the fit, all of it. It's just this beautiful piece. And let's see, this is attached. I'm going to leave that like that for right now because I love the look of it all together, the way that she has it displayed. Got some sequin snippet here. Some really pretty, is this dictionary fabric? I cannot be sure, but words printed on fabric in different ways. So I think that is really pretty. Like the edges of it. Here we've got some some ruffled ribbonry lace stuff, and more here. Some pink. And right here, Doreen, this is one of my favorite appliques. I love that applique, love it. I love those teeny tiny little beads, it's so pretty. Ah, punches for a little booklet. Some linen paper, another applique, really pretty pink button. Let's see. Got some doilies that I've never seen before. I get so excited, y'all, when I see and acquire doilies that I've never seen before, because a lot of them that I see now, I have, you know, so many doilies over the years, there's nothing new very often. So when I see something new that I've never seen before, it makes me excited. So I've never had these before. Yay! Got a little pearls and beads snippet piece there. Got another applique here, and a pretty piece of fabric, and another linen paper. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. All right, everybody. That is it for the unboxing. I'm just going to put this back here so that y'all can see. And I'm going to put those pretty lace holders back over here too. And we don't forget the boxes. Oh no! Well, let's open up the boxes. Can y'all see? I don't even know, but that is just pretty. Yep, you can. Okay. Scoot back over just a little bit. And here we go. The other box. I was looking around for the box. Where did the box go? All right. All right. That is the unboxing, everyone. I hope that y'all enjoyed it. I hope that it inspires you, and I hope that you will go check out Ooh La La Vintage Treasures. And again, I'm going to look just to make sure I get it right. Bird and Barn Designs. Yep, right about that. And Red Hill Fiber and Company. And we will talk again soon. Y'all have a great day. Bye.